Alright, welcome to another tutorial video, guys. In today's video, I'll be talking about adjusting your beat grid. Most of the time when you download or if you want to play original music, the beat grid is not always going to be on point, especially in Rekordbox, and I'm only using Rekordbox since 8 years, so I only know Rekordbox. I know there are a lot of other softwares like Serato, and you also have Tractor. And what else is there? Yeah, now there's so many, man. DJ. When I started out like 10 years ago, almost 10 years ago, there was only Rekordbox, Virtual DJ, and all those jazz, Serato, Tractor. Those are the main ones. I mean, of course, there were a lot of other ones, but yeah. Now let's get back to the adjusting the beat grid. I'm just going to quickly play this song, and also quantize also plays an important role. So right now I'm just going to turn on my quantize and I'm going to load the same song. And if you see, as soon as I load the same song, it has started this song, and it is starting from here where the beat grid is the first beat. So according to my Rekordbox settings, I've set it in such a way when I load a song, it starts from the first beat of the song. So this is where it is starting, and all of this. So actually, the song begins from here. If you see, okay. So that do is not coming in. You wanna is coming. So do you want a partner? So do is not coming in. So again, if we continue listening to it, okay, maybe there's half a beat of a difference, so we can ignore it, right? No. If you keep going, the Rekordbox fucks up a lot. Now, the kick or the beat of the song. Now, if you observe, the kick or the beat of the song is in the middle of the beat, and this is the clap or the I think it's the clap only. Yeah. So this is where the kick of the song is. Oh yeah, that's just a clap, yes. So as you can see, the huge error with the Rekordbox. So what you're going to do is first turn off your quantize. Now, over here, what you can do is go into your, you can see my mouse, right? All right, so lack of space. Okay, let me just remove this then. Good. All right, I didn't want it to spoil my jog wheel. So if you want, you can just scroll it in completely and just look where exactly the first beat is coming. Also, what you could do is you can either, yeah, this is where the first thing is coming. So either you can do it in this way, zoom in, and I think I have to show you my the screen, right? Yeah. How do I do that? Okay, I'm just gonna turn off my camera. Cool. Now you can see on your Rekordbox, you'll have to navigate over here. This section. Click it over here, and you'll get this options. This is the beat grid edit option. Display beat grid adjustment button. So if you go over here, technically the beat is kind of starting from here. Or if you're not sure, either what you could do is, again, here is the beat is coming in. So you can just go here and go a little bit more, zoom it in. And yeah, and now you can move this. So either by shifting the grid. So this is the grid over here, right? You can move it a little faster with this or a little slower with this. It's a little bit more accurate when you're very tiny adjustments. But with this, you can do a little faster. And once you do it and save it, or if there is also an undo button when the song has been loaded. You have the undo option. Like if I keep undoing, it's going to undo. But if you reload the song or if you change the song, then that undo is gone, deleted. So you'll have to again, if there's any mistake in beat grid you did manually, again you'll have to redo it again. Oh, you can't undo it, sorry, the mistakes, right? So now if you see, it's almost on beat, right? Looks like it, almost. So let me just do this. Yeah, I think this is where the kick is starting. So now let's listen. Yeah, now it looks more on beat. Oh, sorry, let's turn on the quantize. Okay. Yeah, let's zoom it so that you can. Okay, I think it is a little behind. So we are just going to go a little bit behind, right? Yeah, now we can hear the proper impact, or maybe let's just go a little bit more behind. Yeah, now you can properly hear the line is exactly on the beat. Now let's go to the first point and see if it is, yeah, as you can see now it has rectified. So now the first beat is over here. So this was one way of doing it, right? Now let's say I'm going to undo all of it now for the example of this, undo undo. I think that's pretty much it, all the undos we have done. So if you can go in your, I mean, once you figured out that the beat is somewhere over here, it's not on grid, what you could do is, again, same thing, go back to the point where you feel the first beat should be. For us, it is somewhere over here. So we are just going to go here and, okay, we already have a marker set. So just click this. So set the first beat of the bar here. If you just click this, yeah, now if you see, just jump from here to here. This is how you can readjust your beat grids. Very simple way of readjusting your beat grids. And now if you go back and listen, yeah, everything is on beat grid. Yeah, it's almost on grid. So that's pretty much it, how you adjust your beat grid. There are a lot of other options over here. Again, experiment around, fuck around, and find out. If you want to find out, the basic way of adjusting your beat grid is I just use these first lines, and wherever the first beat is, it's almost going to be there. And the kind of music which I play, house music, most of the time I'm 90%, more than 95% of the time I'm playing electronic dance music or like remixes or originals, which are designed for playing in the clubs, which has this pattern of intro, break, build up kind of a pattern. So for those kind of music, I don't always really need to do this. Very rarely I need to adjust. But if you're playing original music of any genre or English commercial, Bollywood commercial, pop, hip hop, these issues are pretty common over there. So yeah, just understand where your beat is, or in more latent terms, if it's more musician terms or artistic terms, I guess it is kick of the song. The kick and the beat is the same thing. So yeah. So here's the way the kick of the beat of the song is coming in. Like the other things are aligned properly, except for this one thing. It looks a little, early, but everything else seems on beat. Okay, I know. I think it's on point. All right, that's pretty much it. Hope this video helped you guys. And if you have any questions or doubts, anything, just comment down below. And I'll make sure to reply all of them. And if you want to learn how to DJ, you can join our online classes or offline classes in Hyderabad. That's pretty much it. And make sure you check out a couple of our short videos as well as we are uploading it regularly. You can get to see a lot of our students and other, my performances or other students' performances. And most of them are pretty, old ones. So yeah, in the sense I haven't really uploaded, I hadn't really gotten the time to upload them. Now I'm doing it. So there's a lot of archive which I have to upload. And yeah. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. See you in the next video, guys. Take care. Keep practicing, keep practicing, keep practicing. And do check out our website if you want to learn DJing. You can find all the details over there, price, courses, and all those things.